Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to save the radio station presets. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first you want to select the radio here on the dashboard, and this will get you to the radio menu. Now you want to select either the AM or FM frequency, whichever you want to save. So let's say AM, then you can search the frequency you want to save, let's say this one, 570, and then you will press these bottom presets, and this will open up like a small menu on the right side. And now to save this frequency, you will press and keep holding on the number preset. So example, this one, number 2. Hold it for maybe 5 seconds and your frequency will be saved at position number 2. Now I believe you can have up to 12 saved presets. So if you scroll down here, you will see 5 to 8 and then 9 to 12. So total of 12 available spots for AM and 12 available spots for FM frequency. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.